Hi everyone, and welcome back to another Bumblebee Kid Toys video. We're going to be opening up another tin box full of fun surprises. Are you guys ready? Okay, let's get started. So this is the Disney Cars tin box that we're going to be opening up in this video. I'm seeing Lightning McQueen, Francesco Bernoulli, and Raul Carul on this tin box cover. Alright, now to get this thing opened. Ooh, check out all the confetti, and I'm seeing several different surprises in here. Let me find my first one to open. Let's start with this Yokai Watch blind bag. This bag comes with 3 different medals in it. And these are from their Series 1 collection. Let me open it up. Wow, this stuff looks really cool. I see the 3 medals and a couple of different flyers. Here is the flyer with all the different medals we can collect. There are so many! Okay, now let's get a look at these medals. Here is the first one. This medal looks really cool. Let me find this one on the flyer. Here it is under the Brave category. Let's move on to the next Yokai Watch medal. Wow, this character looks really awesome as well. Let's see which category this one is under. Here it is under the Charming category. There's only one medal left to open. Ooh, this one looks like a creepy, screaming old lady. Let's find the category this one is under. Here it is, under the Mysterious category. Ooh. Let me place these 3 medals right up here on top. Now we can move on to our next tin box surprise. Let me open up this green surprise egg. Ooh, lots of confetti in this egg. And here is our special surprise. It's a Minecraft rabbit keychain. Let's move on to the next surprise. How about this Ooshies blind bag? It's a Disney Pixar Cars edition. There are 40 to collect, and this is from Series 1. Here are some of the characters we can find inside. Here is the flyer. And here is the Cars Ooshies character. This one is a yellow car, and he looks like he's really fast. His name is Cruz Ramirez, and he is a common find. Let's see what the next surprise is. I'm gonna open up this green Play-Doh container. Let's find out what's under this confetti. It's one of our superhero friends and Batman's trustworthy sidekick. It's Robin. Let's see what special surprise is next. Ooh, check out this character from the TMNT series. It's none other than Bebop. Now let's get to our last surprise inside the tin box. And here it is. It's an Imaginext blind bag. This one here is from their Series 8 collection. Let's see which mystery figure and accessory we get. Here is the flyer. Here is One Piece, and it looks like a creepy looking chef. And here is the figure and the accessory. This guy must be making pizza because he has a pizza slice on his shirt and also some red tomato stains. Oh look, this headpiece is actually pizza dough that fell on top of his head. We can't forget about his pizza cutter accessory. Let's see if this pizza guy has a name on the flyer. Nope, but here he is on the checklist. Alright you guys, those were all the surprises from today's Disney Cars Tin Box Surprise video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. If you did, hit the like button. And don't forget to subscribe to the Bumblebee Kid Toys channel for more fun and exciting videos. I'll see you guys next time. Bye everyone.